You gotta do the hand. There you go. You gotta push yourself forward. All right.
What? Not like a tennis match.
Whoa, why's everything so heavy all of a sudden, guys?
Look at the way his feet land just on his tiptoes. Twinkle toes.
You got this. Be the bunny. Look at that motion, like she has it down.
Oh, the golf is so weird.
He's very speedy, very agile.
Still doing the bunny hands.
Whoa.
We're probably meant to do more serious walking, but jumping is a lot more fun.
Why are we going backwards?
That way.
You got this, Jack. Now, come on, man.
Oh, yeah.
Bounce far, bounce well.
Oh, yeah.
Terrible hands. You need better hands, Jack. Come on.
It was weird. It felt all right, as if the force was coming from the bottom and that I was being pulled up rather than it just being spread around my whole body. That is the least comfortable chair I've ever sat in my life.
This lot are all determined to get to the moon. But Finton has a particular dream for when he finally gets there. To perform some lunar karate kicks. He has a black belt, so they will look good.
When I was doing my karate kicks, I was thinking to myself, wouldn't it be the best, like, feeling hour to be the first Irish person on the moon or the first person to do karate kicks on the moon?
There was tension in the room, to say the least. Like,
I'm gunning for AJ. He's also gunning for me, though, so I'm not quite sure how else it's going to work out for both of us.
Missiles locked and loaded. Let battle commence.
oh, those are close shots.
Finton, where are you?
I'm locked onto you, that's where I am.
Many people. Was that my thing? Why is my thing beeping?
Oh, Sinead, some missiles after you.
After me.
You want to smoke?
I smoked!
I killed like 2 so far. I think I shot them anyway. 1 went down.
Your guns are only accurate up to 0.5 nautical miles.
Whoever's shooting at me, I hope you know I'm literally like a sitting duck.
Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Yes!
Did you kill me?
Yes.
I didn't survive very long.
After Asia goes out early, a close maneuver from AJ has Sinead crashing to the ground.
Are you coming towards me? Oh. Okay, I crashed.
I just launched a missile at AJ.
So, when I fight people, I only fight them head on, to show honor.
Someone's gonna pay.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
It was getting a bit heated. People were getting up, standing, getting out of their cockpits.
Oh no! Oh no! I think I'm gone.
Yes! I'm gonna win this. Oh, missile! Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I don't know who got me. I didn't even see the missile coming, to be honest. That sounded like something bad.
I'm Capcom, which means it's my job to communicate with the capsule that's going up. So I'm talking to Daniela and Jack mainly about any like errors they're having, like what they kind of should be doing right now, all that kind of stuff. I'm actually really happy with the role because that's the kind of role I'd want if I was actually going to be like working with NASA. Because I don't know, space is still a little scary, so like I don't want to like die up there. The mission control, like it's fun, you know what I mean?
Space is a little scary, Sinead, particularly when you have to go outside the ISS and fix things. That's called an EVA, and that's what Asia and Finton will be doing. It's spacewalking, basically. The mission briefing is just an hour. All the cadets have to do is learn what all those switches do.
So if you start flipping random switches, any number of things could happen, and they could be very bad.
APU fuel TK VLV brackets 3. So it's the same as the cockpit of the actual space shuttle, so there are a myriad of switches and buttons that line the cockpit, so it is going to be a challenge.
you'll be able to see the orbital data. You can see altitude, velocity, and inclination.
It was a bit nerve-wracking at first. There's a lot of books, a lot of letters I have to flick through. There's a bunch of screens.
So we're gonna put you in these harnesses, and you're gonna be up here, and you're going to be wearing your suits, helmets, gloves, everything. It's gonna be a great time. And you're going to be putting up materials, and you're gonna be taking down materials to take inside the ISS.
She's number 1 for the engineers.
Number 1 for
I'm number
everything.
2. Does that mean she's better than me?
Yes.
Does it?
Yeah.
She's your boss.
Does it mean she's better than me?
You have to do everything I tell you.
Headsets, mic out in front. Y'all are old enough to know this. Don't eat the mic. It's really gross, okay?
The most challenging thing that I'm gonna face is probably the way the system of trying to locate an item through just talking to Brian. But other than that, I think if we're clear enough, it will be okay and it should go smoothly, so yeah.
If you can see these 2 balls here, those are actually bowling balls. One's darker than the other, one's lighter than the other. These are our basketballs. We didn't know how it was going to be to build things in space when we went to the moon the first time, back in the 60s. So it's very simple. This construction project is simple. However, you're going to have to figure out how to continue it. All right? You're definitely going to need some help on that one. Awesome. Let's get started.
So neutral buoyancy, basically you're putting yourself in microgravity, like the ISS is. Because you have to remember that the ISS still has a tiny bit of gravity because it's in low Earth orbit. Now, not enough that you'd be stuck to the floor, but you can push yourself away from stuff and things like that.
It was a bit scary going in that deep, and you could feel the tension in your head and your nose just push shut.
I knew the first thing that I wanted to do when I reached the bottom, play underwater basketball with the bowling ball. I discovered pretty quickly that even though the bowling ball is much easier to throw, the density of water can really slow it down. Slam dunks were definitely the best option. Everyone got into some pretty cool slam dunking.
I love sport and I'm big into training. If only I could do the chin-ups as easy on land as I could do them underwater, that'd be great.
We were all just messing around at the basketball, and then Jack started a construction task, and we all joined in.
The instructors have left a load of pipes and connectors on the bottom of the pool, and the cadets have to try and put them back together correctly while floating. Exactly the sort of work that astronauts do in space. Look at them move. They're flying around like real astronauts. Real astronauts have lightsaber fights, don't they?
We knew we only had 20 minutes of air in our tank, so even though we got up to a load of fun, by the end we realized that we'd have to get these tasks done, so there was some serious underwater teamwork going on.
All right, Daniela, how you feeling?
It feels okay. It was really interesting, actually. It was just kind of confusing the way you were spinning around in all the different directions. Yeah, it's kind of relaxing, honestly.
Tell me a story.
Nothing springs to mind. Brian asked me to tell him a story, and all I could think of was,
Just feels weird.
Is it a good weird or a bad?
Good weird, I'd say.
Thank you. You keep standing up. Be patient, and maybe I'll pick you. You're literally standing up and yelling.
Oh, whoa.
This is kind of cool. Really, like, weird, you know? Like, I should be dizzy, but I'm not really.
I did not hear a word you just said. How you feeling?
Spinning.
Spinning?
Yeah.
Over this phone.
I'm a bit dizzy, okay, it's fine. Got thrown around. I did at some point get dizzy when you're flipping upside down really quickly. All the blood rushes to your head. Feels a bit weird.
He's still adjusting to reality. He's like...
I thought I'd see my breakfast again, but it was grand.
Aoife, how are you feeling, girl? Give us an update.
I'm good.
Good on ya.
You spin me right round, baby, right round.
No!
Oh my God, it's really hilarious.
Are you already crying?
Some people were screaming, some people being Fintan.
He kept like letting out these like yeehaws.
Do it to the fastest I can go! I was whooping and yelping to try and express my excitement. Because I can't use it in words, so I just scream at people, do you know what I mean? Breaks all language barriers, breaks all everything.
I'm gonna get sick. You better not.
I thought I was gonna get sick. Even though Brian said that we weren't, I still thought I was.
Again.
How many fingers am I holding up?
5.